Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is the square root of 39 minus x plus the square root of 7 minus x. This is equal to 8. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. Now we are going to solve this by applying two methods. Let's start with method 1. Now we have the square root of 39 minus x plus the square root of 7 subtract x. This is equal to 8. So let the square root of 39 subtract x be equal to a, and we also let the square root of 7 minus x be equal to b. Now this implies that a plus b, this is equal to 8. And this again implies that square root of 39 subtract x, this is equal to a. So now let's square on both sides from here. And we also have a square root of 7 subtract x, this is equal to b. So let's square on both sides from here, so that now we eliminate the square root sign here, so that we have 39 minus x, this is equal to a squared. And here we have that 7 minus x, this is equal to b squared. Now the next step is that we have a squared subtract b squared, this is equal to 39 minus x, then subtract 7 minus x, and therefore we have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to 39 minus x. Let's open the parentheses here. We have minus 7 minus times minus x, this is plus x. So here we have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to 39. Now minus x plus x, this simplifies, so we have 39 minus 7, and this means that a squared minus b squared, this is equal to 32. We have that a squared minus b squared, this is in the form of x squared minus y squared, which we can express as x plus y multiplied by x minus y. So here we have a plus b multiplied by a minus b, this is equal to 32. Now we have that a plus b, this is equal to 8. Now let's substitute 8 here, so that we have 8 multiplied by a minus b, this is equal to 32. So let's divide both sides by 8, so that now a minus b, this is equal to 32 divided by 8, and this is equal to 4. Now we have that a plus b is equal to 8. We have a plus b, this is equal to 8, and that we have a minus b, this is equal to 4. These are systems of linear equations, so let's add these two systems of linear equations. We have a plus a, this is 2a, b plus minus b, this simplifies, 8 plus 4, this is equal to 12. Now this implies that here we have 2a is equal to 12. Let's divide both sides by 2, and we have that a is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is 6. Now we can solve for b. Remember, a plus b, this is equal to 8. So we have a is equal to 6, plus b, this is equal to 8. So let's take 6 on the right hand side so that we have b is equal to 8 minus 6. And we have that b is equal to 8 minus 6, which is 2. So we have that a comma b, this is equal to 6 comma 2. Now let's apply method 2 from here. Now since we have a comma b is equal to 6 comma 2, and if you recall, we have that 9 minus x, this is equal to a to the power of 2, and we have that 7 minus x, this is equal to b to the power of 2. So substituting a and b, so we have that 9 minus x, this is equal to 6 to the power of 2, and here we have 7 minus x, this is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So this is 39 minus x, this is equal to 6 squared, this is 36. So that now we have minus x, this is equal to 36, subtract 39. So we have minus x, this is equal to 36 minus 39, this is minus 3. If we divide by minus here, we have that x is equal to 3. Now, again here we have 7 minus x, this is equal to 2 squared, which is 4. So we have minus x, this is equal to 4, subtract 7. So if you take 7 on the right hand side, this becomes minus 7. So minus x, this is equal to minus 3. So if we divide both sides by minus, we have that x is equal to 3. This is by applying method 1. Now, let's apply method 2 from here. Now we have the square root of 39 minus x plus, that is the square root of 7 minus x, this is equal to 8. Now, let's take the square root of 7 minus x on the right hand side so that we have the square root of 39 minus x, this is equal to 8 minus square root of 7 minus x. So the first step here, let's square on both sides. Let's eliminate the square root sign here so that we have 39 minus x, this is equal to 8, subtract square root of 7 minus x raised to the power of 2. Now, 8 minus square root of 7 minus x to the power of 2, this is in the form of a minus b raised to the power of 2, which we can express as a squared plus b squared minus 2 times ab. Applying this algebraic identity, then here we have 39, subtract x, this is equal to 8 squared, this is 64, then plus square root of 7 minus x raised to the power of 2, then subtract 2 times 8 multiplied by square root of 7 minus x. So here we have 39 minus x, this is equal to 64. Now plus the square root of 7 minus x raised to the power of 2, this means we eliminate the square root sign. So we have here 7 minus x, then subtract 2 times 8, this is 16, square root of 7 minus x. Now here we have 39 minus x, this is equal to 64, plus 7 minus x, then subtract 16, multiplying by square root of 7 minus x. Now here we have 39 minus x. 39 minus x, this is equal to 64 plus 7, this is equal to 71, minus x, then minus 16, multiplying by square root of 7 minus x. So let's take 71 minus x on the left hand side. So we have 39 minus x, then subtract 71 plus x. This is equal to minus 16 square root of 7 minus x. So minus x plus x simplifies. Then 39 minus 71. This is minus 32. This is equal to minus 16 square root of 7 minus x. So let's divide both sides by minus 16. So that now minus 32 divided by 16, this is equal to 2. So we have that 2 over 16, this is 2. This is equal to the square root of 7 minus x. So let's square on both sides so that we have 2 squared, this is 4, then this is equal to square root of 7 minus x to the power of 2. We eliminate the square root sign so that here we have 7 minus x. Now let's take 7 on the left hand side so that we have 4 minus 7, this is equal to minus x. So 4 minus 7, this is minus 3, this is equal to minus x. So let's divide both sides by minus, and we have that x is equal to 3. So both method 1 and method 2 gives us the value of x as x is equal to 3. So let's verify from here. We have the square root of 39 minus x plus the square root of 7 minus x. This is supposed to give us a value of 8. So this means we have the square root of 39 minus 3 plus the square root of 7 minus 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 8. So this means that here we have the square root of 39 minus 3. This is 36. Then plus the square root of 7 minus 3. This is 4. This should give us a value of 8. The square root of 36, this is 6, plus the square root of 4, this is 2, and this should give us a value of 8. So 6 plus 2, this is 8, which is equal to 8. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that x equal to 3 satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.